11. Surah Hud. Surah 52, according to the order of revelation, this is a Makki surah revealed soon after the previous surah. It has 123 verses and 10 sections. In this surah, we have the stories of Prophet Noah, Saleh, Hud, Lut, Shuaib and Moses, peace be upon them all. The basic point is that Allah sent His prophets and messengers to mankind out of His grace and mercy. But when people did not listen to the prophets and rejected their message, then Allah's punishment came and came relentlessly. It did not make any difference whether someone was the son of a prophet or his wife or anyone. None could escape Allah's judgment. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Seek forgiveness from Allah and His bounties will be for you. Number 2. Patience and good deeds bring the stability in character. Number 3. The story of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him. Number 4. The fate of those who disbelieve in Prophet Noah. The moving description of the fate of Prophet Noah's son. Number 5. The message of Prophet Hud. People denied Allah's message and were punished. Number 6. The message of Prophet Saleh, the sign of the she-camel and end of Thamud. Number 7. Prophet Ibrahim receives the angels. The angels then went to Prophet Lut, the punishment of the people of Lut, peace be upon him. Number 8. Prophet Shuaib and his message, his people's denial and their punishment. Number 9. Prophet Moses was sent to Pharaoh and his people. The purpose of these stories. Number 10. Prophets were denied before. Continue presenting the message with patience. Had Allah forced His will upon the people, He would have made them all one people.